guys, they take landing of the Wizz. Yeah. Yeah. They take landing of the Wizz. You're a good boy, EasyJet. But they take landing of the Wizz, but they take landing another airplane. I think they written those air or they throw wings. But I hear the sound when they take off. But it's not there of airport because I don't see. I hear the sound, but they have something in the hotel. Unless it's my big house. I look at the under the ground. I'm on the 4th floor because I have a big house. But they take landing off the airplane. Yeah, we don't see all the cameras. Where they are? I think it's there. I think it's dead off airplane.